Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will see how we can protect a PDF file with a password. So for this, we need a tool which is called Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. So let's start to encrypt a PDF file with a password. Double click on Adobe Acrobat Reader so that you can see this view on your PC, and I select the file on which I want to set a password. Here is the file I want to set a password, and look at right sidebar menu. You will see a protect option. Click on protect. Sorry, I mistakenly click on comment. And when you click on protect, you will see these three options: restrict editing, encrypted, and more options. So I click on encrypt and encrypt with the password. So select this one, required a password to open the document. I set a password. You can set the strength of password: weak, medium, strong, very strong. It's depend on you. I just starting you this trick to save your documents. And if you want to restrict the permission of editing and printing, you can also set the password by selecting this and selecting this option: none, high resolution printing allowed or not allowed. So I just leave it as empty, and changes allowed or not allowed. If you want to revoke the peoples to edit your document and printing the document, so that you can also set a password from here. So I right now I am not editing this. I will just set the first password and press OK. And he's asking instantly, please enter your password to open your PDF. I entered my password and hit enter. Look at this. My PDF is now password protected. Let's enter it. Okay, I save it and close it. I let me enter it. Open it again. He's asking for my password. I enter the password again. I think I put it wrong. Look at this. I open it. So how simply I protect my document with a password. If you like this video, please thumb up my video and share with it. And please subscribe my channel so that you can get notification of the next video. Take care and see you in the next video.